a massive volcanic eruption. That looks so scary. A volcano is a type of special opening in the ground where very hot stuff like melted rock comes out from deep inside the earth. It's like the earth letting out some of its built up pressure. The largest volcano in our solar system is on Mars. It's called Olympus Mons. Do you know that distant celestial objects which are very far away from the sun also have volcanic eruptions? Yes! As we go further in the solar system, the gaseous planets and their moons have an icy cold temperatures. But here's something that puzzles everyone. How can there be hot, melted stuff on planets and moons that are super cold and distant from the sun? So what do they spew out? Is it ice or something else? Let's find out more about these volcanoes in today's video. Do ice volcanoes exist? On November 27, 2005, Cassini photographed the south pole of Saturn's sixth largest moon, Enceladus, which amazingly appeared to show liquid erupting out of its surface. These were thought to be a sign of volcanic activity. Further investigations confirmed similar activities on Europa, Titan, Ganymede, and Miranda. Also, Pluto has become a trending topic in recent years due to the discovery of such volcanoes on its surface. As these celestial bodies are very distant from the sun, they were thought to be frozen solid. But the discovery of these geysers confirmed that beneath the surface there is still liquid present. These volcanoes don't spew out hot molten rocks. Instead, they erupt out volatile liquids such as water, ammonia, and methane into an extremely cold environment. And that's why these volcanoes are called ice volcanoes or cryovolcanoes, where cryo is derived from a Latin word that means icy cold. It's so cold that if this liquid falls on you, you would be frozen solid. Oh, so chilly. Now, how are these volcanoes formed? Cryovolcanoes form when heat from the interior of a celestial body melts ice beneath its surface. The melted ice then rises to the surface and erupts in the form of a volcano. The heat that powers these ice volcanoes can come from a variety of sources, mainly tidal heating, which happens when the interaction of nearby moons and the host planet causes the gravitational pull on the body. This generates friction and heat, causing the ice beneath the surface to melt. Also, impacts from other celestial bodies can create this heat and pressure. There is one such special case discovered by scientists on the largest asteroid, Ceres. They discovered a mountain which showed all the geographical signs that it is a volcano. It is named Olympus Mons. After further investigations, they found many such mountains on Ceres. Missions like JUICE are set to reveal new information about cryovolcanoes on Jupiter's icy moons. Scientists are eager to learn about these hidden oceans, which might be home to life beyond Earth. On our planet, wherever there's water, there's usually life. So, if these icy volcanoes are connected to underground liquid oceans, there might be a chance that some form of life could exist there too.